Imagine standing on a battlefield. On one side, rows of disciplined Roman legionaries with gladius in hand. On the other, a modern war zone, drones buzzing above, soldiers communicating via satellites. Two worlds, two warriors, but one common goal: dominance. Welcome to Shadow of Empires. Today, we journey through time to dissect ancient versus modern warfare, tactics, technology, leadership, and the brutal evolution of how humans wage war. Stay with us. You won't see we're the same way again. In the ancient world, war was physical and personal. Weapons were extensions of the body: swords, spears, shields. Victory came from steel, sweat, and the strength of formations like the Greek phalanx or Roman testudo. Fast forward to today, modern warfare is defined by technology. Guns with precision scopes, ballistic missiles, and unmanned aerial drones strike from miles away. The warrior is still present, but now, power is projected from screens and satellites as much as from boots on the ground. But here's the twist. Ancient warriors had no room for error. A single misstep could mean a spear to the chest. Modern soldiers? A click can wipe out a city. Ancient generals were often on the battlefield themselves. Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, Hannibal. They commanded with eyesight, instinct, and signal flags. Strategies were crafted around terrain, weather, and raw human psychology. In contrast, modern commanders operate from secure bunkers or across the globe, using satellite imagery and real-time intel. Tactics are shaped by cyber warfare, logistics, and global politics. But one thing remains timeless: deception. From the Trojan horse to modern disinformation campaigns, the art of fooling the enemy has never gone out of style. In ancient times, war was glorified. It was a rite of passage, etched into myths and monuments. Entire civilizations were built and destroyed by war. Today, war is more controversial. It's broadcast live, criticized in real time, and deeply politicized. But even now, entire economies revolve around defense industries, and nations still fall or rise based on how they wield military power. So what really changed? Only the way we see it, not the way it shapes us. Ancient battles could claim thousands of lives in a single afternoon, face-to-face combat, with no medical evacuation. Survivors were often enslaved, cities burned, and cultures erased. Modern warfare, though more surgical, has its own horror. Bombings, drone strikes, civilian casualties, often from a world away. And while rules of war exist, they're broken more often than honored. Ethics in war. It's an age-old paradox. Can killing ever be just? Ancient warfare gave us enduring lessons. Discipline wins over numbers. Morale can outweigh might. And sometimes, one bold tactic, like Hannibal's Alps crossing, can turn history. Modern warfare continues to evolve. AI, space-based weapons, cyber attacks. But the roots are ancient. Sun Tzu's Art of War is still read by generals and CEOs alike. Because in war, past and future are not enemies. They are allies. From swords to satellites, from chariots to cyber, warfare has changed, but its core remains chillingly human. This is Shadow of Empires. Subscribe, like, and tell us in the comments. Ancient or modern? Who would win? Until next time, history is watching.